Now I've got to make the front arches to fit the wheels. Got these for the wheels, which are some old bearings that I've cut up. Hopefully they will fit. Depending on how we make these arches will depend on how well they're going to fit. So let's see. Now I'm thinking this pre-bent like a bit, but cut at an angle so it comes out like that. Not sure, we'll see how it goes. Let's cut that off there at an angle, see how it goes. So I'm going to kind of go, of course we're not going to go that big, we might go that big, but I'm not going to, so cut that off like that. Like so. Making that a bit bigger. I think that's how it's going to work. Anyway, let's see. So that's cut. Let's see if my theory works. Right. It kind of does, doesn't it? I'll tack it on and then I'll see what it looks like. Turn the gas on again. Let's trim that off there first. Doesn't look right curving out like that. So not to just cut that off because it's a bit too large at the moment. So let's cut that off. I did not. Let's get them welded in there properly. So there we go, that's added the front arches on. When that's cooled down, I'll curve them off a bit more. Yes. Got to cut that out of there, obviously. So it's the arches on. Pretty happy with those. They look pretty symmetrical, I think. I think the front just looks too small, but then I look at the model and I think no, it is how it is. But anyway, let's crack on now and actually make the wheels go in there.